Hi everyone, my name is Joyce and I am a marketing major. I'm new to PSU. This is my first semester. And I'm also virtual. So, my hobbies, I don't really have a hobby apart from work and school. And I work at Penn State Health. So, this is where I spend most of my days and the other half at home. I'm interested in plants because I just find them so intriguing. And I hadn't really thought much about how they survive and like what they provide for us apart from the basic, oxygen and food, like elementary level education of plants. So when I had the opportunity to take this class, I definitely took it. So I chose the sugarcane plant because I am very familiar with the plant and I ate it a lot growing up. And I also know like I've seen them grow and kind of dry up. And some of the process that's used, to make sugar, etc. So this is like the typical sugarcane plant in like anywhere, but this is how they sold it back home. And here's this guy over here eating the sugarcane plant because that's how you eat it. Basically, you peel off the hard shell around it, and then the inside you just kind of chew on it, getting the sugary juice, I guess. So, some of my concerns working in a group, not this group specifically, but like an online group, is that everyone has different schedules. So that can be really hard to get, the group together to, meet due dates. Some positives are we can definitely divvy up the work and have everyone, kind of do some stuff that they're good at and then meet or just upload them. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is like my first time doing a fully virtual class. I guess some of my strengths that I could contribute would be I can do some research. Although like I'm not really good at it, I am interested in the plant, so I can definitely do some research and I can help with PowerPoint presentations and references. I like to do those. And like whatever else the team might need, I think I would be willing and able to help contribute to this group. Um, Otherwise, I'm really excited for us to work together on this plant. And I remember like we did do like it was a discussion post that we did once we signed up for the group. But I didn't know this video was here, so this is fun. Also, this is like what I'm using right now is called like Screen-O-Matic. And one of my professors last semester introduced me to, using this for your screen recording purposes. And I think it's much simpler than using Zoom, for example, because once I'm done recording here, it'll give me the option to like edit, and also I can just upload it straight to YouTube. So let me try that out and see if it actually works. And if it does, we might not have to go through the entire process of, going on Zoom. But I'm not sure. Yeah. I hope you guys have a nice week, and I can't wait for us to start working on this project together.